All right, we're going to go ahead and get started on Unit 2. This is the written portion of our density exam. Number 1, an object has a mass of 35 grams and a volume of 70 milliliters when measured with a graduated cylinder. What is that object's density? Go ahead and make sure you plug that into your density formula. Is it A, 0.5 grams per centimeter cubed? Is it B, 35 grams? C, 70 milliliters? Or D, 2 grams per centimeter cubed? Number 2, when a small fish is placed into a graduated cylinder, the volume changes. What is the volume of the fish? So here's our initial reading. And notice in our second graduated cylinder, we have our fish. So that would be our final reading. Go ahead and calculate the volume of the fish. Is it A, 2 milliliters? B, 4 milliliters? C, 6 milliliters? Or D, 8 milliliters? All right, number 3. What is the formula to find density of an object? Is it A, density equals mass times volume? B, density equals mass plus volume? C, density equals mass divided by volume? Or D, density equals volume divided by mass? All right, on to number 4. A toy hammer is placed into a graduated cylinder. The level of the water changes. What is the density of the toy hammer if the mass of the hammer is 8 grams? So we're given the mass in the word problem. So let's go ahead and take a look here. This is our initial reading. And then we add the small toy hammer and our graduated cylinder. Our volume changes to that. What is the density of our hammer? Is it A, 2 grams per centimeter cubed? B, 8 grams per centimeter cubed? C, 4 grams per centimeter cubed? Or is it D, 4 milliliters? On to number 5. Number 5, you're going to be comparing your density to this chart here. So a student has to find the density of a substance that has a mass of 8.1 grams and a volume of 3 centimeters cubed. What is the substance that the student is researching? So go ahead and calculate your density. Is that substance A, gold, B, iron, C, sugar, or D, aluminum? All right, on to number 6. A student has to find the mass of an unknown substance. The best tool for this would be A, a triple beam balance, B, a graduated cylinder, C, a ruler, or D, just take a guess. Number 7. If I have a ring made of unknown material and I know this information, the mass is 96.5 grams, and the volume is 5 milliliters, what is this ring made of? Again, we have a chart of some densities of common substances. Let's go ahead and do your math. And is that particular ring, is it made of oxygen? A. Is it made of lead? Which is answer B. Is it made of gold? Answer C. Or is it made of aluminum? Which is answer D. Number 8. A student has a block of material. The block of material has a mass of 100 grams and a volume of 200 centimeters cubed. What does this block of material do when placed in a bathtub full of water? So this is going to require a couple of steps. You're going to have to figure out the density of this block of material, and then you're going to have to analyze what that block of what that block of material is going to do. What does this block of material do when placed in water? Does it A, sink, B, float, C, there's not enough information to determine that, or D, does it turn into aluminum? On to number 9. Number 9, a student puts a rock into a graduated cylinder to find the volume. The initial level of the graduated cylinder is 75 milliliters. The final level of the graduated cylinder with the rock is 95 milliliters. What is the volume of the rock? Is it A, 75 milliliters, B, 20 milliliters, C, 95 milliliters, or D, 170 milliliters? What is the volume of the rock? And on to our last question, number 10. What is the volume of this rectangular prism? So we have a length of 20 centimeters, a width of 9, and a height of 8. What is the volume of this rectangular prism? Is it 180 centimeters cubed? Is it 72 centimeters cubed? Is it 1,440 centimeters cubed? Or is it 20 centimeters cubed? Remember to go back over and double check your math. Make sure you didn't make any simple errors. Also make sure that you're reading the question correctly and that you're looking for either the mass or the volume or the density. Good luck.